problem is that your body, biologically, is perfectly designed for you to fail often. You have something in the brain called the amygdala. In fact, you have two of them. They're almond-shaped size. You've got one on one side and one on the other side. And the function of the amygdala is to really trace patterns and also to warn you instantly of danger. Now, the amygdala is a very powerful piece of the brain because when it fires a signal, it basically bypasses the neocortex, which is the higher center of thinking, and it says, trust me on this, you don't need to consider it further, this person's a jerk, okay? Now, that's problematic. Now, there are other times when it actually saves our lives. I was out running with my son here not too long ago, and we were in some back areas, some wooded areas, and we were going along this path, and he was kind of out in front of me, and he rounded the corner, and it was thick enough that I really couldn't see him, but I heard him. And I heard this primal scream, and when I got around the corner, he was just landing from this jump. And I looked, and sure enough, as I got up the path, here was this snake slithering across the path. Now, in that moment, the amygdala immediately triggered, said, trust me on this one. You don't need to think about it. And he did, and it saved his life. So it's kind of something that helps us sometimes, but at other times it begins to kind of work against us. Now, the interesting thing here is that when you think of how the amygdala functions and how we often fire in terms of what we believe other people have done and why they've done that, it gets us into problems.